Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and in today's video I'm going to show you how to redirect calls on Samsung phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 with Android 16, and to redirect calls on this phone you need to go to Phone app and here tap on these three dots. Now tap on Settings. Go down and tap on Supplementary Services. Wait for a few seconds. And here we have Call Forwarding. Just tap on this option. Wait again for a few seconds. And from here you can select Always Forward, Forward when busy, Forward when unanswered, or Forward when unreachable. So to do it, just tap on the option. And from here you can select by tapping on this little man icon. You can choose the contact where to forward, or you can tap manually the number, then just tap enable, and that's all. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.